In this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot on your PC in a few simple ways. First up, the print screen key. Press it once and your screen is copied to the clipboard. Then just open a program like Paint, Word, or an email and press Ctrl+V to paste your screenshot. Super simple, right? Now, let's take it up a notch with the snipping tool or Snip and Sketch, which comes with Windows 10 and 11. To use this, press Windows key plus Shift plus S. Your screen will dim and you can drag to select the part of the screen you want. Once you're done, it'll save to your clipboard and you can edit it immediately. Want to capture just a single window? Easy. Just press Alt plus Print Screen while the window is selected. It'll copy only that window to your clipboard and then open a program like Paint, Word, or an email and press Ctrl+V to paste your screenshot. And there you have it! 3 super easy ways to take screenshots on your PC. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know your favorite method in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.